Hey Nailtex, here's how your client is going to be able to book an appointment with you in less than 2 minutes using the Frisher app. Add your links to your social media for easier access, and it will send them directly to all your services, which you can put into groups of hands and toes, training session, makeup, whatever it is that you have in groups, and the discounts will be showing them as well how much they can save with just booking an appointment with you and receiving the service from you. Over here, they'll be able to select a date and a time that is preferred for them and that is available on your end. If they don't have an account yet, they'll have to create an account. There's easy options to do that. At the end, they just need to agree to your terms and services and to being notified for any marketing offers that you want to offer them. Mention that it's a first time visit or second. Over here, they're able to just see that you are on high demand and what services. And this is the final page that they're going to see. They can add some notes as well, just to let you as a nail tech know what you're going to be meeting with, especially with a first time client. And it is confirmed. This is what it's going to look like as a confirmed appointment, and these are all the details they're going to see. At the end of it, you get a notification via email and on your app, and this is what the notification is going to look like.